This would be the dream machine right here. This would be, put the Harleys back here. You could even put one back here. I mean, this. Anyway, so we got a half a bath here. Phenomenal. A garage with the patio deck, queen bed, dual couch that makes a bed, back door. Totally close it off. One air. Oh, it's got twin air. Oh my gosh. Bedroom slide. Nice residential style shower. Slide here for the entertainment. Which, where is a television? Normally Grand Design is really good about putting the TV across, but this is a toy hauler. It's a little bit different. But a bit out of my price range. I do love it. I absolutely love it. But she's out of my price range, and it would be on the very edge of my towing capability. You really need a 3/4 ton to tow this, but they claim that she's half-ton towable, but I disagree. Man. It's a nice travel trailer / toy hauler. Love it. Anyway, I absolutely love this 29G Momentum toy hauler. It is killer. It even has the rear awning over the party deck, complete with an on-demand generator, fueling station. That is awesome. $44,000. It's a phenomenal buy. It retails MSRP 60. She is a beauty. Oh yes, I love that stinking thing. 44,000. Lord have mercy. But I do love this. This is my favorite. This is my favorite camper right here. Travel trailer. So, got the party deck on the back, full garage. Nice slam latches, fueling station, generator. 44 grand. I don't like all that being exposed. Do you? Let's go back in there and look at that thing again. I don't know why they do this big long tile cabinet. Put your fishing rods in there, I guess. Furrion wireless charging dock for Furrion portable Bluetooth speaker flashlight. Manual jacks, which is no big deal. You just get a power wrench and throw in there. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I love this one. I absolutely love it. $44,000. Man, you can put the bikes in here. Office just needs an AC unit. It's got one AC there. And it's got two. I don't know how hot that garage will get. I love it, man. I love it. I love this. Got the shower curtain, residential type shower. I'm a big fan of that bathroom. I do like this one. No, the only thing is the TV is over there. No fireplace. So you got your trade-offs, you know. You got your trade-offs. I wonder if you could put a TV right there. Move that one. But separate bathroom here, so I could come back here and use the bathroom in private. Not mess up the little woman's bathroom. and Happy Jack system on the back. I tell you how I like it. Because what I like about it is you can close this door right here, leave all this opened up, open the party deck, put the thing out, and it's got the nice screen door here, that you can slide open. So, man, you could put that down, close the screen, and have this one big open deck. And put the table, I think the table's probably around here somewhere. It's probably up there on the bed. Put the table up, and I'll tell you what, I love it. I absolutely love it. Wasn't $44,000. This would be the one I'd buy right here. But 44 grand. Retail 60. Lord have mercy. I do love this trailer. There's a abrupt ending. Just some footage I shot the other day with various campers. I noticed there wasn't that many campers of this model on YouTube, so I did a little separated it from the rest of the campers I looked at all day long. I got like 40 minutes worth of camper footage. Hope you guys enjoyed the 29G Momentum Grand Design toy hauler. It is a phenomenal beast that they claim is half-ton towable, which it is not. It will max out any half-ton's capabilities. So I would recommend a 3/4 ton truck for pulling that particular trailer. However, they say the dealership that particular, oh yeah, we can put springs, and I wouldn't do it. Don't do it. Say no. Safety first. See you.